Hello children, welcome back to my talks, and here we are with our third topic. Okay, last two topics you must have seen, you must have revised. Okay, do keep preparing your notes also along with it. Okay, let's come to third topic. Now, how do our activities affect the environment? Yes, we human beings are responsible for depleting our environment. Okay, for degrading our environment, you can say, by adding pollution to it, isn't it? By polluting the environment. Okay, noise pollution, whatever it is, even the water pollution, the air pollution, all the pollutions, all the different kinds of pollutions, it is we who are doing it, isn't it? So we are responsible for it. So again, this particular topic over here, this particular topic deals with ozone layer depletion. Now you must have heard what is ozone. Do you know? It is O3 molecule. Okay, so O3, where three atoms of oxygen are combined together, it gives rise to ozone. Okay, and oxygen, which is O2, is very, very important. You know that we all living organisms are alive because of this oxygen. And where do we get it from? We get it from the plants. Okay, and then how is this ozone formed? This ozone is formed with the help of ultraviolet rays. Now, what does the ultraviolet rays do? Okay, the oxygen which is at the higher strata of the atmosphere, which is at high levels, okay, ultraviolet rays breaks up that oxygen molecule, okay, which is made up of O2. So it breaks up, and finally what? O plus O is formed. Got it? Breaks up into atoms, and these atoms, these oxygen atoms, okay, they combine with other oxygen molecule, this oxygen atom, and finally it forms O3. Got it? So this breakdown of this oxygen molecule takes place with the help of ultraviolet rays at the higher strata, and that oxygen atom combines with the oxygen molecule to form O3, which is ozone. Okay, this is an ozone molecule, and this ozone molecule, this forms a layer at a just at a higher level, okay, above the earth's surface. And what is its important? It does not allow that ultraviolet rays, the harmful rays from the sun, to reach up to the earth. Okay, and why? Because those ultraviolet rays are very, very harmful for all the living organisms on the earth. Especially it causes cancer and many other diseases. Okay, cancer, skin cancers and all, very, very harmful. And we know from 1980, you know, this layer, okay, like it is a protective layer, you can say. It is like an umbrella, as we take an umbrella to protect ourselves from the rain. So just like that, the whole of the earth is protected with the help of this ozone umbrella, you can say. This ozone layer acts as an umbrella to protect from those harmful rays. Okay, and now due to our uses, you can say, chlorofluorocarbon, CFC. CFC is important. This chlorofluorocarbon, we have been utilizing it in many of our products. Okay, now it has been used as refrigerants in our coolers, refrigerators especially. Okay, even in fire extinguishers, the deos. Okay, so it uses more about CFCs, and these CFCs, it degrades the ozone layer, makes holes. जैसे umbrella फट के hole हो जाता है ना, and the बारिश या धूप जो भी हो, it will pass through it and it burns our skin. Just like that, holes are made into the ozone layer, degrading the ozone layer. And finally, we, all the living organisms, we are suffering due to our own activities. Okay, so our activities we have been using. Okay, and now the strict rule has been formed, it has been circulated, it has been passed off to the companies, okay, to make refrigerators, to make fire extinguishers, okay, devoid of CFCs. Means lesser use of CFC or no use of CFC is said for the manufacturers, for the companies. Okay, but now whatever has been done, it's difficult to get it back, but still we can. So our activities, children, we have got the earth, we have got this beautiful nature in free, you can say. We are getting water in free, we are getting oxygen in free, but we don't know how to keep the things. So we human beings over here must become more conscious in accepting the beautiful nature and taking care of it. Okay, so with this topic, I put a full stop to it. Hope you must have understood. Okay, and and the last topic I will take in the other class. Hope you must have liked it, children. So as always, okay, do keep watching my channel for your English videos also, okay, and deleted topics for English is also there in the channel. Go through it, okay. Look for Uma Talks, you'll get it over there. Okay, subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and do like, share. Thank you.